Yo, how's it going, guys? Today's video, we're gonna swap out these two front grills, the upper and the lower over here, and we're gonna swap all these black badges to the original OEM silver badges. Gonna wash her up quick, and we'll get to it. All right, let's take a look at what we got. So for the grill, got some connection hardware, the proper mesh grill that's supposed to go on this model this year, and then the OEM grill, about like $600-700 Canadian. So I just went with this cheaper Chinese one. Just don't feel like spending that extra money on it. Bingo. So we've got the blacked out grill with the one silver fin. It's gonna look a lot better than the 4 fin, even though the OEM was 2. No problem, this looks sick. So there she is, the old and the new. It's gonna look really cool. So if we take a look over here, fitment of the grill is all right, but we've got some spaces on the side here. That's a bummer. I mean, this grill was like $130, $140, and the OEM's like $650 from the dealer. So, I mean, it is what it is. Rather spend the money on the mechanical issues when they arise. So it's cool. All right, so we're gonna go around, put some Goo Gone adhesive remover around on all the emblems, and then we're gonna give it some time and then see if we can peel them off. So we got some dental floss here. Apparently it's the equivalent to fishing line. It works pretty well, so I'm gonna give it a go. Pretty loose. I got a little, don't want to use metal, but I don't really have anything small plastic, so I'm just going to use this little key that comes with the doorknobs and see if we can get that off. out well. Totally mint. No scratches or anything. So the glue gun technique worked out really well. All right, area's all cleaned up, got it marked up for the badges, so we'll get putting them on. Oh yeah, that's gonna look way better than that black. So, we got the grill on, looks decent. This lower one here, need to make a little modification because one of the anchor points over here had come loose. So, I'm gonna fix that after. But once that gets all tightened, it's gonna improve the look quite a bit. And then we got the original silver badging back on. Sweet. Bingo. All right, so last bit for the video. I'm just gonna do a little headlight restoration here. So today we're gonna restore these headlights with this Simone's headlight renewal kit. So we've got the 2000, 3000, and 4000 sanding pads. Got the hand applicator and the buffer. And then mentions in here, after doing the 2000 grit, that you repeat the process with both 3000 and 4000 grit. So let's do that. Now we're on to the buffing stage. Apparently here in the steps it says apply a little bit of the headlight polisher and polish it until it's clear. If not, we repeat the process and potentially also do it with a electrical drill and use the buffing pad with that. There she is. Looks fairly decent. Definitely still some fog on this side here though, but at least we got a little bit of results. And there she is, all done, nice and clean. Slightly better condition than she was before. Sweet. So, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if you like what you see. Comment if you got any suggestions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.